Hi guys, and welcome to Excited for Coupons. I hope you're having such a good day and you're getting ready to see the best deals that will start this Sunday, April 22nd. And I hope that it's easy for you to follow and just get ready because there's so many good deals and a lot of freebies. Also, I will include this on my site, excitedforcoupons.com. And you will see also all the coupons that are printable on the description box, so you could just easily print those as well. So let's just get started. L'Oreal is going to be on special, buy 15 worth and you get 5 ECB. So here's a deal idea. You could buy the lash mascara, which is a very popular one, and the single eyeshadow. So buying those two, your total will be $15.98. You could use two different coupons, one for the eyeshadow, one for the mascara. So in total, you're going to deduct $3. But if you're this printed on Sunday the 15th, deducting 3 off 12, you could use that coupon as well. If you haven't used it yet and you pay $9.98 at the register, you get back 5 ECB. Your total will be $4.98 or just $2.49 each. If you're like me, you want to try one of those new Lumi products that they're really expensive, they cost $14.99. This is a good deal idea. Just buy one. Use the coupon deducting 2 off 1. From Revlon 4A, and also that coupon I printed last Sunday, deducting 3 off 12. So in the register, you pay $9.99, but you get back 5 EC because you spent $15. So your total will be just $4.99 for one item. You could get the Coke. It says buy $20 worth and you get 5 ECB. Here's an idea. You could buy 5, $3.67 of the Coke, the 12 pack, and one of the 8-pack 12-ounce bottles. Since the Ibotta, there's an Ibotta offer, just deducting 50 cents off one, but it has to be the 8-pack 12-ounce. So once you buy 6 of those, it's going to be 22. There is no coupons. That's how much you will pay, but you get back 5 ECB, and also you can submit it to Ibotta, so your total will be $16.50. Or just 2.75 cents each. Here is what you could do since you're buying 6. I really love the rewards that you could submit. This is a program that's been going for a while from Coke, and you just have to remove this from the cap or the box, and it has a code, and you enter that code once you create an account, and depending how many codes is what you're gonna get. So if you enter 5 of those codes, you will get a large drink when you go to AMC. If you enter 7 codes, you get a large popcorn. If you enter 10, you will get a free movie ticket. I really love this. I have been getting coupons, and it does work very easily. They send it to your email, and you could just, they will scan it on AMC, so it's really worth it. You could mix and match to spend 20 and you get 5. So the deal scenario I'm doing is just a Scott tube bath tissue. You could buy 4 for $5.49, so your total is $21.96. And I'm going to share the printable coupons deducting 55 cents each. So you can use 4 of those, so you'll pay $19.76. You get back 5 ECB, your total will be $14.76, so just $3.69 each. But you could just mix and match from the items there. Another idea is for the Scott bath tissue that is a little bit higher. The price is $6.99. You buy 3 of those, and you could use that printable coupon from their scottbrand.com and use 3 of those, so you pay $19.32. You get back 5 ECB, so your total will be $14.32 or just $4.77 each. But like I said, you can mix and match from the items listed to do that, and it's a limit of 1. Another idea is the Maybelline cosmetics. If you have this coupon that printed last Sunday, deducting 2 on any Maybelline, you could buy 2 of the single eyeshadow for $3.99. So once you use that coupon, it will be $5.98. And you get back 5 ECB when you buy 2, and your total will be 98 cents or 49 cents. If you have any app coupons, you could just include that as well, and it will be free. I did mention there's some freebies, and here's one of those. You could buy one of the Nice and Easy and the Natural Instinct, and the reason is because you need to, Ibotta has different offers for different type of Clairol items, so you want to take advantage of that. So select one of each, and if you're not sure, you could look at the Ibotta app to just make sure you're doing the right one, and there's a few to select. To buy 2 for $8.29, your total will be $16.58, but you use 2 coupons deducting $3 each, and you pay $10.58. At the end of that receipt, you will see a $6 CCB when you buy 2, but you can submit it to Ibotta for $2.50 each, and that will give you a total of free and 42 cents moneymaker. Another freebie is for the Covergirl. This is a foundation that you could try, and the cost is $7.99, so your total will be $15.98 if you do have that CVS deducting 4 when you spend 15 on cosmetics, so you can use it on this deal. And also use 2 coupons that came last Sunday, deducting 2 each, so you pay $7.98, you get back 8 ECB, and that was totally free. This is a separate deal for Covergirl, and it only includes the Peacock mascara. It is a really good mascara. So buy one for $7.99. You can use a coupon deducting 2. And your total will be $5.99. When you buy one, you get back 3 ECB. So your total is $2.99 for this item. This deal, you need to spend $30 to get the $10 cash card. So this is what you could do. You buy 2 of the foundations. So since this also buy one and the other one's 50% off. So buy 2 of the foundation. They're a little pricey, and I think this is the best time to get it for $15.99. And buy 2 of the lip items, which is the most reasonable one, for $8.29. And right next to it, you will see the price that is for 50% off. Your total will be $36.43. Use 2 coupons for the lip and 2 coupons for the foundation. And if you have that Revlon that printed last Sunday, deducting 2, you could use that as well. So at the end of that transaction, you pay $20.43, but you will get back that 10 cash card, making it $10.43 for 4 items, so just $2.61, which is crazy because that foundation is very pricey. Another deal idea for the Revlon is buying 2 of the lip and 2 of the eyeshadow. So I also share 4 of the eyeshadow for $6.99. And 2 of the lip for $8.29, so your total will be $33.42. Use 4 for the eyeshadow, coupons deducting 2, and 2 coupons deducting 3 for the lip. And also you have that Revlon coupon, so you pay $17.42. It's crazy because the total was $33.42, and after all those coupons it was $17, but that's not enough because we're also getting a $10 cash card when you spend $30, which brings it down to $7.42, or just $1.24 each item. For the Swans, you just have to buy $12 worth and you get 4 ECB. So just buy 4 since the price is on special. And use 4 coupons deducting 1, which we should get this Sunday's paper. So if you need to couponing, this is a perfect time for you to start collecting those inserts that we're going to be getting this Sunday. So you will pay in the register $8, but you get back 4 ECB. But don't forget to submit it to iBota. You can submit 2 for 50 cents, so that will deduct $1. Making this a total of $3 for everything, or just 75 cents each. Here's another freebie, and if you do have this CVS coupon, deducting 6 off 2, here's what you could do. Buy 2 of the Venus razor for $8.99. Use 2 coupons deducting 3 from the P&G, and that coupon deducting 6, so you'll pay $5.98, but you get back 10 ECB when you buy 2. So this will be free, and $4.02 moneymaker. This one is free and moneymaker, but just make sure you do have that coupon that printed last Sunday, deducting 2 for any Colgate Max or 2-in-1 toothpaste. So you could buy one at $2.99, use a coupon deducting 50 cents, use that coupon from CVS. You'll pay in the register 49 cents, but you get back 2 ECB at the end of your receipt, making this free and $1.51 moneymaker. Here's another great deal for the L'Oreal hair. You could buy 3 for $4.99, so your total will be $14.97. You can use a coupon deducting 4 when you buy 2, and 1 deducting 2, so that's a total of 2 coupons. So you have to register, you pay $8.97, but you get back 8 ECB. But there is an iBota offer, and you can submit your receipt, which it will give you back 50 cents, making this just 47 cents. Or just 60 cents each item. It's just crazy how combining coupons you can save so much. Here is how you could get it free and a moneymaker. Buy 4 so that you will reach $19.96. Use 1 coupon deducting 4 and 2 deducting 2, because you have to read the coupons. There might be a limit of how many you could use. And also use that CVS coupon if you do have it, deducting 4 when you spend 18 on hair care. So you pay $7.96, but you get back 8 ECB. Don't forget to submit that to your iBota Cash app, which will make these 4 items free, but also 54 cents moneymaker. Another deal for the Physicians Formula is if you have this coupon deducting 4 of 14 cosmetic items. It's a CVS that had printed last week, or maybe you might get it this Sunday. So buy 2 of this healthy lip. It's a pretty nice lipstick for $7.79. Your total will be $15.58, since you do have to reach 15 to get 10 ECB. So you pay $11.58, but you get back 10 ECB, making this just $1.58, just 79 cents each. Another idea is the Rimmel Cosmetics. If you have this printable coupon that was available, deducting 3 in the coupon, what you could do is buy 2 of the lipstick for $5.79 and use 2 coupons that was available to print. So your total will be $5.58, but you get back 4 ECB. When you spend $9, your total will be $1.58, just 79 cents each. Another Rimmel idea will be if you find the lip liner, you could buy 2 of those for $4.69, and you will reach the $9.38 mark that we need to reach, and use 2 of those printable coupons, deducting 3 each. So you'll pay $3.38, but you get back 4 ECB, making this free, and 62 cents money maker. Here is a deal idea for the Almay. You could buy 2 of the quad eyeshadow for $6.99, so your total will be $13.98. You use 2 coupons, deducting 3 each. So in the register, you pay $7.98, but you get back 4 ECB when you spend $10. So your total will be $3.98, or just $1.99 each item. You can make this deal even sweeter if you do the same deal idea that I just shared, but if you do have the CVS coupon, deducting 3 off 12 cosmetic, instead you will pay $4.98. And you get back 4 ECB, so your total will be 98 cents, or just 49 cents each. And there's a limit of 6 of how many deal ideas you could do for any Almay products. Another idea could be if you buy 2 of the makeup remover for $5.99, so your total will be $11.98. You could use 2 coupons, 1 coupon deducting 3, since it's 3 off 2, and you could use that coupon deducting 3 off 12 from CVS that printed last week. So you pay $5.98, but you get back 4 ECB, and your total is $1.98, or just 99 cents each. In the site, I was able to see that the MOA Professional has a lot of new items coming out, so just be on the lookout. And the ECB, this deal is if you spend 10, you get 7 ECB. So here's an idea. You could buy 1 of the illuminating powder for $11.99. Use that coupon, deducting 3 off 12, so you pay $8.99, you get back 7 ECB, making it just $1.99 for a new item. Here's a great Huggies deal. It's for $9.99, so they're already on special. But in addition, if you spend 30, you get 10 ECB. So what you could do is buy 3 of those of Huggies, and your total will be $29.97. There is printable coupons that you could use, deducting $2 each, so you could use 3 of those. So at the register, you pay $23.97, but you get back 10 ECB, and your total will be $13.97, just $4.66 each. For the Dove hair care, I have a few scenarios. So this is one option, buy 4. So your total will be 16. Use 2 coupons that will deduct $2 each, so pay 12, but you get back 5 ECB when you spend 15. So your total came out to $7, or just $1.75 each. Another idea is if you have the CVS coupon, deducting 4 off 18 hair care. So buy 4, that will be at 4, and 1 for $4.50. So your total will be $20.50. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2, and that coupon from CVS deducting 4. So you pay $12.50, but you get back 5 ECB. And your total came out to $7.50, or just $1.50 each. Here's another idea. You can mix and match. Get 2 of the Dove Derma Care and 2 of the Dove regular hair care, and your total is 18. Use 1 coupon deducting 2, 2 coupons deducting 2 for the Derma Care, and 1 of those the CVS coupon. So you'll pay $8. You get back 5 ECB. Your total is 3, or 75 cents each. Here's a good idea for Tom's and Maine. I don't know if you tried this. It smells so good. It's going to be buy 1 and get 1 50% off. So you could buy the bar, and your total will be $7.49 after you bought 2. You will get 2 ECB when you buy 2. Your total is $5.49, or just $2.75. Here is another idea. If you do have the CVS body wash, deducting 2 off 6, so you could buy 2 of the body wash, and your total is $11.98. You deduct 2, you pay $9.98, but you get back 2 ECB when you buy 2, and your total is $7.98, or just $3.99 each. As you can see, there's so many great deals coming this Sunday and so many freebies. So I really hope that it gets you started and prepared. If you need a spreadsheet or for you to do your shopping trip list, I'm going to provide that in the description box, so that could even help you, making your trip a lot easier, a lot smoother, since there's so many good things coming up this Sunday. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, you can share the video so others can save as well. Don't forget that the coupons will be provided in the description box. So bye.